That includes $6.4 million of undepreciated fixed assets, which that's, since the ESD has been in existence for 7 years, they've purchased $5.8 million of most equipment and trucks, $2 million of buildings and land, and accumulated depreciation of approximately $1.5 million, bringing down to about $6.4 million of fixed assets. We currently have in all of our funds, including about $1 million in budget reserves and contingency reserves for fire season. We currently have about $3 million. We will begin receiving most of our tax revenue. We've begun our fiscal year, October 1 for 2015, began this month. We will not receive most of our tax money until we get into January, when people have time. They have 3 or 4 months to pay their taxes. So we have sufficient funds to operate between now and January. In addition, there's a plan. There's sufficient funds available to purchase 2 trucks that are being considered. If you look on 5.B-5, we have $3.7 million remaining in long-term liabilities. Originally, those loans were consolidated about 2.5 years ago. They've been paid. It was originally about $6 million. It's been paid down to $3.7 million. And if you'll look at 5B-8, this year we've had revenues. The tax rate that we set produced revenues of approximately $4.5 million at the tax rate of 8.5%, 8.5 cents per hundred, and we have net income. Now, not all of the expenses have come through for last fiscal year, but what we had at the time they did these financial statements, we have a positive bottom line for the year of $1.5 million. Now, that doesn't consider the fact that there's pending before the board is $1 million worth of truck purchases, 2 trucks. And that's really all I have on the financial side. So we're operating on a solid financial basis, and we had a pretty good year in terms of the expense controls, helped by the fact that we didn't have an unusually bad fire season.
No other comments? Let's go for a vote. Motion to approve the financial report there. Hear that? Well, I guess we've had the motion and the second. All right, it's time for the vote. All in favor of the financial report say aye. 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 Motion carries.